Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your exact device model and backing up everything, because flashing wipes storage. Next, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging and OEM unlock. This lets the PC communicate fully. Install ADB and fastboot tools on your computer and test with DB devices until you see your phone listed. Once done, reboot to bootloader using fastboot. Make sure to keep battery high and use the original USB cable for a stable connection. You now flash a custom recovery to manage the install, download the exact TWRP image and the ROM zip matching your model. Use fastboot flash recovery TWRP. Then immediately boot into recovery to avoid stock overriding it. In recovery, make a full NAN Droid backup, then perform the required wipes, usually data and cache, so the new system installs cleanly. Next, sideload or transfer the ROM zip to the device and verify file integrity before proceeding with the install. You install the ROM zip in recovery using install or apply, and if needed, flash GApps or vendor packages immediately after, because package order matters. Once flashes finish, wipe Dalvik/ART cache and reboot system. The first boot typically takes 5 to 15 minutes while the new framework optimizes. If the phone won't boot, return to recovery, restore the NAN Droid backup, or check install logs to identify missing firmware. One quick tip: verify bootloader and radio compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.